The TeleStacker Conveyor is our version of a telescopic conveyor. We've got one of the largest selections of belt widths, tonnages, and lengths on the market. We've built about 1,500 to date and growing every day. The FD axle is the most operator-friendly axle for a stacking conveyor on the market. Superior pioneered the development of the FD axle in 1994, and we've been using it ever since then. The way the FD axle works is there's a transport axle that stays engaged with the ground. The radial axle is lowered via a set of cylinders and raises the transport axle up off the ground, which provides the fastest setup time from transport to radial operation of any stacker on the market. We also use the FD axle throughout our conveying product line, so we use it on telestackers, power stackers, and multiple different PRSC or portable radial stacking product lines as well. Superior's patented auto level allows an operator to run their conveyor on up to 4% grade, which means they don't have to level out the pad that they're running the stacking conveyor on, so they can set up in an unfinished stockpile location and begin operating the conveyor. It keeps the truss level. What that does is it keeps the belt alignment steady and straight so that you don't end up with walking of the belt from side to side. Paired with that, it prevents the tail from moving laterally from side to side as the conveyor radial travels, which prevents material spillage and prevents basically a movement of the stacker into an unsafe position. And on the topic of safety, the FD auto level does act as a safety mechanism from preventing the stacker from tipping over in uneven terrain. Paired with the FD axle, we offer a compensation linkage on our tail undercarriage. So a traditional design problem of segmented undercarriage support design is the distance from your pinpoint to your main axle changes. What that requires is the conveyor to go back to the transport axles when changing height. Our compensation linkage design allows the tail pinpoint to not move as much, reducing material spillage and feed point problems. The structural design of our FD axle has been developed through the years of operation. We've got open access to grease points on all of the rotating members of the axle itself. And we do offer upgrade options, including tracks, when operating on lightweight ground conditions when you need more flotation.